Looking for the best espresso machines in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 7 best espresso machines, ranked from number 7 to number 1, covering everything from brewing performance and user-friendliness to design and value for money. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Jura S8 Chrome, a sleek and sophisticated bean-to-cup espresso machine that blends premium design with impressive automation. Jura is known for its precision Swiss engineering, and the S8 lives up to that reputation, offering 15 pre-programmed specialty drinks, all accessible through a vibrant 4.3-inch color touchscreen. One standout feature is the pulse extraction process, PP, which optimizes extraction time to ensure maximum flavor for short specialty coffees like espresso and ristretto. You also get Jura's Aroma G3 grinder, which is not only fast but quiet, preserving the full aroma of your beans with minimal noise. The S8 is perfect for users who want barista-level drinks without the learning curve. It even includes an intelligent milk frothing system that creates silky microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos, all with just a touch. Design-wise, the chrome finish adds a modern, high-end look that fits beautifully in any kitchen setup. While it's one of the more expensive options on this list, the Jura S8 justifies the cost with its balance of luxury, ease of use, and consistent performance. And the price is $2,999. At number 6, we have the Linea Classic, a timeless espresso machine that combines professional-grade features with an authentic Italian stainless steel design. This machine is built for espresso lovers who want a hands-on, barista-style experience at home. Equipped with a powerful 15-bar pump, the Linea Classic extracts rich, full-bodied espresso with excellent crema every time. The integrated temperature control system ensures your shots are pulled at the perfect temperature, giving you consistent, cafe-quality results. One of the highlights is its manual milk frother, which lets you craft creamy lattes, cappuccinos, and even iced coffee with smooth microfoam. While it requires a bit more skill than fully automatic machines, the frother gives you full control over texture and temperature, perfect for enthusiasts who enjoy perfecting their coffee craft. The machine's durable stainless steel body not only looks sleek, but is built to last. Its simple controls and straightforward interface make it approachable for both beginners and experienced users. If you want an authentic espresso experience with professional features and classic style, the Linea Classic is a standout choice that blends tradition and performance seamlessly. And the price is $167. Coming in at number 5 is the Philips 3300 series, a fully automatic espresso machine designed for convenience without compromising on quality. This model is perfect for those who want a quick, hassle-free coffee experience at home, with just a touch of a button. The 3300 series offers 5 customizable drink options, from classic espresso and cappuccino to iced coffee, giving you variety right at your fingertips. Thanks to the innovative silent brew technology, it operates up to 40% quieter than previous models, making it ideal for early mornings or shared spaces where noise can be a concern. One major plus is the ceramic grinder, which delivers consistent grinding with less heat buildup, preserving the rich aroma of your beans while ensuring long-lasting performance. The AquaClean water filter is another standout feature, enabling you to brew up to 5,000 cups without needing to kale, a big-time saver for maintenance. The black chrome finish adds a modern, sleek aesthetic that fits well in any kitchen. Overall, the Philips 3300 series balances ease of use, quiet operation, and great coffee quality, a solid mid-range option for daily espresso lovers. And the price is $358. At number 4, the Breville Bambino Plus stands out as a compact powerhouse that packs serious espresso-making capability into a small footprint. Ideal for those with limited counter space but high standards, this machine delivers cafe-quality espresso quickly and efficiently. One of the Bambino Plus's biggest strengths is its automatic milk frothing system, which steams milk to your preferred temperature and texture with impressive consistency. Whether you want silky microfoam for a latte or a creamier texture for a cappuccino, the Bambino Plus has you covered with minimal effort. The machine also features a thermojet heating system that reaches the optimal extraction temperature in just 3 seconds. No more waiting around for the water to heat. Its 15-bar Italian pump ensures rich, flavorful espresso with excellent crema, making each shot taste professional grade. Constructed with durable brushed stainless steel, the Bambino Plus combines style and durability. Its simple controls are beginner-friendly, but it also offers enough customization to satisfy more experienced users. If you want fast, high-quality espresso with automatic milk frothing and a sleek, compact design, the Breville Bambino Plus is a fantastic choice. And the price is $367. Taking the number 3 spot is the Ninja Espresso machine from the Luxe Café Premier Series, a versatile all-in-one machine that goes beyond espresso to deliver a full coffee shop experience at home. This machine is perfect for those who want to enjoy everything from classic espresso shots to drip coffee and even rapid cold brew, all in one sleek device. One of the standout features is the integrated grinder combined with an assisted tamper, which ensures a perfectly packed portafilter every time, a game changer for consistent espresso extraction. The Ninja also includes a hand-free frother that works beautifully with both dairy and non-dairy milk, making it easy to create rich cappuccinos, lattes, or creamy macchiatos with minimal effort. This machine is incredibly user-friendly, offering multiple brewing modes including classic espresso, rich espresso, and specialty drinks, plus drip coffee for those who want a larger cup. Its rapid cold brew feature adds extra versatility, especially for warm weather or iced coffee lovers. With a modern design and a comprehensive set of features, the Ninja Luxe Café Premier is ideal for coffee enthusiasts who want variety, quality, and convenience in a single machine. And the price is $478. Coming in at number 2, the DeLonghi Rivelia Automatic Espresso Machine impresses with its blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design. This all-in-one machine is perfect for coffee lovers who want a seamless brewing experience with the flexibility to customize their drinks. One of the Rivelia's standout features is its dual bean hopper system, allowing you to easily switch between 2 different coffee beans. A great option if you enjoy variety or want to keep decaf and regular beans on hand. The built-in grinder delivers fresh, perfectly ground coffee every time, while the automatic milk frother produces creamy, velvety foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and more with minimal effort. The intuitive control panel simplifies customization, letting you adjust grind size, temperature, and milk froth density to suit your taste. Plus, its sleek white finish and modern design make it an attractive addition to any kitchen countertop. With easy maintenance features, like a removable brew group and dishwasher-safe parts, the Rivelia offers convenience alongside high performance. If you want an espresso machine that balances versatility, style, and ease of use, the DeLonghi Rivelia is a top contender just shy of the top spot. And the price is $1,500. Claiming the top spot in our 2025 roundup is the Breville Oracle Jet, a premium espresso machine that seamlessly blends automation with professional-grade performance. Priced at $1,999. It's designed for coffee enthusiasts who desire cafe-quality espresso with minimal effort. The Oracle Jet boasts a fully integrated 58mm portafilter that automatically grinds, doses, and tamps 22 grams of coffee, ensuring consistent extraction every time. Its thermojet heating system reaches optimal brewing temperature in just 3 seconds, significantly reducing wait times. Advanced barista guidance helps fine-tune grind size for the perfect shot, while Auto Milk Queue delivers hands-free, silky microfoam tailored for dairy, soy, almond, and oat milk. The machine's 5-inch high-resolution touchscreen offers intuitive controls and access to pre-programmed favorites, including cold brew and cold espresso settings. Wi-Fi connectivity allows for automatic firmware updates, ensuring the machine evolves with your brewing needs. Constructed with a sleek brushed stainless steel finish, the Oracle Jet combines aesthetics with durability. For those seeking a blend of luxury, convenience, and exceptional coffee quality, the Breville Oracle Jet stands as the pinnacle of home espresso machines in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Check the description below for links to all the espresso machines we covered. Share your favorite pick in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.